to lead wells. George, the Rafale C on-roll fighter, succeeding a variety of platforms with both the French Air Force and the French Navy. Replacing no fewer than 7 different French military fast jet types. That's how versatile it is. Roles including air-to-air combat, conventional air-to-ground missions, reconnaissance, anti-shipping strikes, nuclear strikes, and buddy-buddy refueling. It was designed from the outset to fulfill all of those tasks. Producing a lot of lift. The pressure above the aircraft is decreased, which expands the air, cooling it to below the dew point of the water that we see in the air in front of us, which is very, very damp at the moment. Beautiful example just there. Photo opportunity, I believe, with well, there was a little bit, and that was caused not because of the performing of the aircraft. It wasn't producing much lift, but as the aircraft increases its speed, the lift increases. Therefore, you end up with lower pressure above the aircraft than underneath. Fantastic vapor ball there, though. French Air Force history. 4 Rafales hit 21 targets in the course of a 9-hour, 35-minute mission from Saint-Dizier via those targets to landing at N'Djamena in Chad.